two electric bulbs P and Q have their resistance in the ratio 1:2. They are connected in series across a battery. Find the ratio of the power dissipation in these bulbs. If the two bulbs P and Q are connected in the series, that means they are connected in the series, means the resistance are connected in the series, means like this they are going to connect it. I want to take R1 and this is the resistance, that is R2, connected in the series like this, they are connected. So find the ratio of the power dissipation in these bulbs. So then we know that here, we know that power is equal to I square R. The current in the two bulbs is the same as they are connected in series. Okay, since they are connected in series, then the current in the two bulbs are same. Therefore, we can write P1 by P2, which is equal to I square R 1 divided by I square R2. Then if you are going to simplify, it is coming like R1 by R2, which is nothing but they are given the ratio 1:2. Then our answer is 1/2 is our answer.